Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to build a specific real-world outreach sequence from start to finish. This flow will use conditional logic and our AI writing feature to save you time. Here's the goal. We want to connect on LinkedIn. If they accept, we'll send an AI-generated LinkedIn message 1 day later. If they don't, we'll send a custom email instead. If we don't get a reply, we'll send one final AI-generated follow-up email. Let's build it. Step 1. The connection request. First, we'll drag a LinkedIn Connect step onto our canvas. We'll set the delay to 0 so it runs immediately. Step 2. The conditional follow-up. Next, we'll drag a LinkedIn message step onto the canvas and connect it. Inside this step, we'll set the delay to wait for 1 day. We'll then add a condition to depend on our first step, with the trigger, if connected. Now for the message itself. We'll set the message type to auto. This is a powerful feature that tells our AI to write a relevant follow-up message for you based on your campaign's goals and settings. Of course, if you prefer to have full control, you can always switch this to custom message and write the text yourself. Step 3. The else path, if not connected. But what if they didn't connect? On that same LinkedIn message step, we will enable the else action and choose email. This means if the connection request isn't accepted after 1 day, the system sends this email instead. For this example, we'll set the message type to custom message and write our own email text. Now our flow has 2 separate branches, one using an AI-generated message and one using our own custom text. Step 4. Ending the outreach or sending a final follow-up. Finally, we need to end the sequence if we get a reply or send one last follow-up if we don't. We will connect an end outreach step after our previous step. Inside, we'll set the delay to 3 days, giving the prospect time to reply. Next, we add a condition to this step, setting it to trigger if the prospect has replied. This smartly checks for a reply to whichever message was sent in the previous step. If a reply is received, the sequence stops. But if there's no reply, we'll use the else action on this step. For the else path, we'll select email. Just like before, we will set this message type to auto, so the AI will generate a final, polite follow-up for us. And that's it. Let's review our finished sequence. It starts with an immediate LinkedIn request. The next step waits a day, then checks if the connection was accepted. If yes, it sends an AI-generated LinkedIn message. If no, it sends a custom email that we wrote ourselves. The final step waits 3 more days. If a reply was received, the outreach ends. If not, it sends one last AI-generated follow-up email. This combination of automation and AI helps you create sophisticated campaigns with minimal effort. Thanks you.